Hi R&R fam! Some of you may have received our new packaging, and so we just want to give you a little demo because this is a bit different to what you may be used to. So first of all of our new bottles have a cap on them. You can see just like this. So the cap is for safety reasons, if you're traveling, just to keep the product safe and prevent the lid from turning. So if you're keeping your product at home, in your bathroom, in your beauty room, wherever you keep it, once you take this lid off, you can keep it somewhere safe for next time you carry your product around. So, all of the caps twist to the side. Right now it's locked. If I push on it, nothing's happening because it's not open. All you have to do is just twist it to the side. So now that it's unlocked, you can just pour your product as usual. Okay. Occasionally, what might happen is the lid might just come off like this. All you have to do, you can see the little white part here, and inside the lid, a little hole. So all you do is you try and fix it straight back on. You might want to do this over the bath or over your body so that you don't waste any oil. You just push it back in, and voila, there you go. It's all perfect now, and then you can lock it again just to keep it safe whilst it's sitting on your shelf. So we hope this helps. Thank you.